Introduction to Zoho Flow Automation.
Zoho Flow is an intuitive automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services. With just a few simple steps, you can automate routine processes, like turning incoming emails into actionable tasks. This helps you stay organized and respond faster, all without manual copying or data entry.
Connecting your email and project tool.
To begin, connect your email account and your chosen project management tool, such as Zoho Projects, Trello, or Asana, to Zoho Flow. Once connected, Zoho Flow will be able to listen for new emails and communicate directly with your project app.
Setting up the trigger, incoming emails.
Create a new flow and choose the trigger. This is what starts your automation. Select your email service, like Gmail or Outlook, and define the conditions, such as emails with a certain subject line or from a specific sender. This ensures only relevant emails start the process.
Defining the action, create a task.
Next, add an action to automatically create a task in your project management tool. Map fields from the email, such as subject or message body, to the task details. This means each qualifying email instantly becomes a new, trackable task with essential information already in place.
Testing and activating your automation.
Before going live, test your flow to ensure tasks are created as expected. If necessary, adjust your field mapping or trigger conditions. Once satisfied, activate the flow. Now, every new qualifying email results in a new task, reducing manual work and boosting productivity.